Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss with you a very simple topics but interesting. How to increment a interactive grid or report column value using dynamic action on another column clip. Here you can see the demo. I have clicked on the plus icon. That means also a report icon, report column, and its value is a plus icon. Not icon, it's this is special character. Here adding and subtracting number. So to implement that things, please let's start the practical session. First create a blank page. Here I am trying to do so. Need to breadcrumb and create blank page. Then add a region. Here I demonstrate two types of report, one for interactive report and another is a grid. So that's why first create a tab region and create two subregion, rename it and change the type to interactive report. This source table, in my case I used employees tables. You can use your own table. And here add a additional column. Create another subregion, rename it to grid and source, change its source to employees tables. Add another extra column to display the plus icon, and later it will interact with like a button. We will implement that. Change some properties to make it looking it lucrative. Static ID must need to set static ID, otherwise we can't implement the auto increment or decreases. Need to add this column on both table, both reports, and later create a page level on JavaScript function to auto increment the number when button click, column click. Here first add the event listener. When loaded, then what happened? It just capture the column, on which column we will going to click. Here adding the option click, and where we will the action fired on TD, which header is equal to add num. That's mean the plus icon column, we set that static value, static ID. And then what happened? It captured the row and extract the number from that rows particular column. Here I I'm going to capture the SL number, SL's columns value, uh, or which headers equal to SL. Didn't limit. That's mean if any special character if we adding with it, and then it will trimmed. Then set its value again uh, by increment one of that capturing value. We need to convert it to number. That's why I use parse int function and called this function value. That's it. This function is responsible to increment the number by one when the plus icon clicked. We are missing first time to set the report ID. We must need to do so. Here also need to this columns static ID, and that columns also need to set the static ID. We can implement our requirements using that settings. Otherwise we can't to do that. Yeah, done. It's automatically incremented when clicked that icon. Now we are going to implement that another options. We will try to decrease the number by one when that column clicked, decrease column clicked. Sets the link attribute to display like a button, and make that field non-editable. That's mean read only. In editable grid we can edit all columns if we not set any conditional formatting. This field also read only, and yeah, here I have already set it. Okay, now SL number also need to made read only. Otherwise, user can set its value manually by typing from keyboard. Or now create a dynamic action on add number column, and its true action of course should be PL scale, and resetting value its value plus 1. And need to submit that SL column, and need to return also same column. And on the decrease number column also we add another dynamic action to decrease the SL numbers value. When click that column, event should be clicked, nothing else. Uh, Modify the true action. Action should be execute PLSQL code, and SL we assign that columns by its own value minus 1. That's mean it's decrease the value by 1 every time when click that icon, minus icon. And here I add a condition: if this column value greater than 0, then it will be decreased, otherwise not. So here we need to submit and return the same column. Here some class should be missed, that's why these two buttons are looks like different. That's why I copied from that first one and paste it here. Now in this report tab, I also add another here also add the subtract icon and the functionalities to decrease the interactive reports. Same formatting settings here also, where which I add earlier in the date report. Target should be nothing, and link attribute should be class, and class, that's why it's look like the button. Set it is static array dec unders dc hyphen num, and make another function, just reverse function. In this function we will add 1. Here we will go into -1 and rename it bc function, and also need to change the td header, which column we would like to click, and decreasing the number. Here we would like to click on the dc hyphen num, this column, and value should be same on the sl column. Now check this column by default hidden, we need to display it first. Yeah, now display, save the report, otherwise all user not get this field. Yeah, it's implemented, and then it's when click the decrease number, it will automatically decrease by 1. That's it, nothing else from today. If found helpful, please like, comments, shares and subscribe. Thank you for watching.